Good morning students. In maths, the next topic is addition. Addition means adding of the numbers, okay? So all of you open page number 96 from your Rise and Shine textbook. Before going to textbook, I'll show you some of the example. What do you mean by additions, okay? I'll show you 3 examples, okay students? So student, first example is if you're not having pencil, okay, to write, okay, whatever homework we are sending, if you're not having pencil to write, you'll ask your mama, please give me pencil. Even your mama knows that you don't have pencil, even your daddy knows you don't have pencils. So mama gives you 1 pencil, okay, to write. Okay, mama gives you how many pencil? 1 pencil. While coming from work, papa brings you 2 pencils. Mama gave you 1 pencil, right? And Papa brings 2 pencils. Now tell me, how many pencils do you have? Mama gave you 1 pencil and Papa bought you 2 pencils. Now tell me, how many pencils you have? 1, 2 or 3? Yes? 1, 2 or 3. This pencil I have given by Mama and this both pencils I have given by Daddy. Right? So tell me, how many pencils you have? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Addition means adding of numbers, okay? Adding of numbers, adding of objects. Okay, students? See, Mama gave you 1 pencil, Papa gave you 2 pencils. All together, how many pencils you have now? 3 pencils, okay? Now, let us go through next example. So, student, next example is you are having sports bowling set, okay? 2 is of yours and 2 is of your brother, okay? 2 is of yours and 2 is of your brothers. You're crying, I want one more 2. I want of my brothers also. I want of my brothers also. Then what your brother did you know? He gives his sports bowling to you. See, he gave his sports bowling to you. Now, how many are there with you? This were 2 of yours and this were of your brothers. Altogether, how many are there now? 4 are there, because before you were having only 2. Yes? Then your brother was having 2. You were crying, I want karke. Then your brother gave 2 more to you. Now how many are there with you? Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many sports bowling set is there with you? 4. Okay, this is called addition. One more example I'll show you. Now students, Papa bought you a doggy. Okay, Papa bought a doggy. It is a toy, right? You're crying, I want one more, I want one more. Papa how many bought? 1 doggy he bought. But you're telling, I want puppy also, I want puppy also. Before, there was only 1. When Papa bought another puppy, how many toys are with you? Yes, how many toys are with you? 1 and 2. Before, there was only dog. After that, dog and a puppy. Okay, if we'll add this both, there are 2. This is 1 and this is second one. Okay, these are the 3 examples. Now let us go through textbook. So students, all of you open page number 96 from your Rise and Shine textbook. Count and write the number of object. Okay, then add. 1 is done for you. Now tell me, how many umbrellas are here? 1. Here is 1 and here 1 and 2. Here is 2. You can see your boxes, empty boxes. You have to fill that empty boxes. 1 and 2. Now count all together. 1, 2 and 3. 3 umbrellas are there? Yes? Okay, next example. I have shown you example of pencils, right? Count this. 1, 2 and 3. Next, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Right here, 2. Now tell all together, how many pencils are with you? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have to write here 5. Next, cat. How many cats are there? Here, count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many cats are there? 5. Here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now tell me, altogether how many cats are? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Next, gift boxes. Right. Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called addition sign. Plus sign. Which sign? Plus sign. Plus sign means adding of numbers. Okay? Plus sign means adding of numbers. It is called addition. And here how many boxes are there? Gift boxes? 2. 1, 2. Now count altogether how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, buffalo. What is this? Buffalo, cow or ox? Yeah? Count 1, 2 and 3. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now tell all together how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay students, you have to complete page number 96 and page number 97 from your Rise and Shine textbook. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.